JD Humanoid Robot is an advanced educational robot developed by Robot. It is designed to teach robotics, coding, AI, and STEM concepts in a fun and interactive way. It can play sounds and change eye colors to express emotions. It can help students learn coding and robotics in a hands-on way. It is used in schools, research labs, and by robotics enthusiasts for learning, programming, and AI experiments. JD Humanoid Robot can understand and respond to voice commands. It supports facial recognition, object detection, and color tracking. It helps with obstacle detection and autonomous navigation. It helps maintain balance and detect falls. JD Humanoid Robot resembles a small human with a head, arms, and legs. It enables fluid movement for walking, waving, dancing, and complex gestures. It offers block-based coding, Python, JavaScript, and C# support. It is controlled via PC, mobile app, or voice commands. Users can customize and replace components using a 3D printer.